Company cars and tax, what should you do? Over to Mahmood with the best advice for you. Okay guys, so I'm Serena.
And I'm Mahmood.
And we're the Business Rockstars. Okay, so listen on for some important information on beep beep.
Thank you very much, Serena. A common question I get asked by clients is about company cars. What's that all about? So let me give you a brief overview. Company cars are a benefit in kind because you might use that to drive down to the shops or drive between home and office. Typically, there are three things you take into account to work out the benefit value. What's the list price of the vehicle? Number two, what's the power supply? Is it electric? Is it petrol? Is it diesel? Or is it one of those fancy hybrid cars? And thirdly, what's the CO2 percentage, which determines what percentage benefit applies? So typically, based on an average CO2 emission of a vehicle, you've got a 30% benefit. On a 30 grand purchase, that's 9 grand it's worth to you as an individual, which means if you're a high rate taxpayer, that's £3,600. If you're the company, that's about £1,200 plus pounds worth of employers' national insurance. Capital allowance claim, pretty poor. Now, if you go electric, absolutely brilliant news. That same car, benefit value, wait for it, has a magnificent value of zero, zilch. No benefit in kind value at all. Secondly, the company can claim the cost of that car immediately, and that's nearly a 6 grand saving in its tax bill for a year. What's not to love? Hope folks you found that useful.
Okay guys, so if you want some assistance on company cars and tax, give us a call because we're the people to sort you. Ciao.
Ciao.